Hello everyone, welcome to Quanta AI Labs. This is AI Influencer course series. In this video, we talk about the new way of animating or new model for animate our character. That is the most important thing. So in the previous video, we talk about WAN 2.1. That is the basic workflow we use. In this one, we use LTX V1. Let me run this one and we will show first we show the output. Then we will understand each of the node how this workflow works. Okay, so while it is running, let me explain who we are. So Quanta AI Labs is the generative AI solution company. We are consulting also in the different things, just like Animate and workflows, AI influencer or ComfyUI stuff. If you need any workflow, we can make that for you. So where you should go if you want to make or contact us, you can directly come to the Quanta AI Labs page, quantaialabs.com, and you will see what we are providing. We are providing AI commercial ads, deployments, RAG solution, AI automation, and all the things. So we already created these things. These are our client. You can connect us on Discord also. And if you want to learn some skills or some technologies in generative AIs, then you need to come on the second website, which is 100x Creators. Here you find our different online courses, just like AI Tools Mastery, Generative AI Mastery, Generative AI Mastery Online. We also offer online and offline both. So these are the two locations we offered right now. And if you click on the enroll button, then you need to fill this form and submit enrollment. Then we will call you in 24 hours and you will get the response from that. And we will move forward in that course. So these are the skill you master if you take the generative AI program. These are the curriculum. And these are your instructors. And this is the FAQs. And this is the basic phone number. You can connect us on the WhatsApp also. So let's take this one. It takes some time because we are using 13 billion parameter model. And so let's go to the second thing is this one, the LTX model. So where you need to download this model. So let me add the note here, Hugging Face model. Okay. So this is the thing. So if you go on this link directly, so I will share this link with you. Here you see different models. If there is a less VRAM, you can use 2 billion parameter model also. So VRAM, if your VRAM is 8 GB, then you can use these models. But if you have more than the 16 GB, then you need to use the FP8, which I am using in this one. And we are using upscaler also if this is possible. Okay, if you want to upscale your video. So with understand this upscaler in the next part, or I will provide this workflow into the Patreon. So where you need to get all the workflows we already did in this series. So let me paste the link for you guys, copy and paste. Okay, let me save this one, save as workflow, LTX. Okay. So this is the workflow. Let's start this one. First with the checkpoint, let me run this so we will understand while running this one. So this is the checkpoint where we download the checkpoint. Here is the link we have already provided in this workflow here. Then this is the load image. And here there is one interesting thing is automatic prompt writer. So we are using Florence 2 and Llama 3.2 billion for the captioner and LLM name. And you need to write a starting word, a person look like so. Okay, and like this. So it will take this starting and automatically generate the prompt for this. And there is a negative prompt. And we resize this image. Let me resize this one 5 by 12 also. Okay. So it already, okay. Now we goes to here. So we are using clip. This is text clips. This is apply STG. And this is the random noise. First we are changing this LTX image to video, goes to everything, the image from here. First we resize the image, then here width and height we already connect, then we LTX scheduler we give, then K sampler or stable custom advance, sampler custom advance, then we will wait for the output. So this is the first one. It generates the video in 1 minute approximately, the 13 billion model. So you don't need to wait a lot, but the quality is a little bit lesser than the WAN 2.1. So if you want WAN 2.1, so you can go to check out our previous videos, which is Animate part 1. Once you load this workflow, all the things you will find in the installed missing custom nodes. And the clip you got, if you go to the model manager, if you search for the T5, so there are all the clips. We already have this one. Maybe this one you can download and this one also, the FP16 one. So as you see, it generates the video of this girl, but there is a size issue, so we change it here and rerun it again. The quality issue is there in this one, but it is much faster than WAN 2.1. So here is our output. So it distorts some little bit face, but if you use the full model, which we already here, which is 28 GB, then it will be much better output than this one. So this is Animate part video 2 for AI influencer. If you have a low VRAM, you can use this one, or you can use the lightning.ai for the WAN 2.1. So they give you some free credits also. So we are making continuous making videos on generative AI technologies. This is the videos on ComfyUI, and we make different videos on Animate, on OpenAI ecosystem. So hope you like this video. Subscribe us.